Shopify website full SEO tutorial. Welcome to this comprehensive Shopify SEO tutorial. In this guide, we'll cover everything you need to know to optimize your Shopify store for search engine, helping you drive more organic traffic and boost sale. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is basically the process of improving your website's visibility on search engine like Google. For Shopify, SEO focuses on optimizing product page, collections, and site structure to enhance search ranking. A well-optimized store can attract more visitors and ultimately lead to increased sale. Now, what do I mean by ranking higher on search engine? So let's go ahead and say that people browse every day on Google. And when someone searches for something like toys, more likely your page will show up at the top of the search engine. That's what we are going to be focusing on today. And so before we proceed, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, the first step is setting up basic SEO configuration. We can start by purchasing and connecting a custom domain, which helps establish credibility with both search engine and potential customers. We also want to organize our store with a clear structure, using categories and collection that are easy to navigate. And so, let's look at an example for the Nike official website. As you can see, all of their product is categorized, which makes navigating through their store easier. It is a user-friendly experience. Make sure your Shopify site is secured with an SSL certificate, ensuring that it uses HTTPS, which not only protects user data but also improves your SEO rating. Moving over, keyword research is a fundamental part of SEO. You want to use tools like Google Keywords Planner, Ubersuggest, or Ahrefs to find relevant keywords that have good search volume and low competition. You want to focus on long-tail keywords as well, which are more specific phrases. So instead of saying something like toys, you could go ahead and put keywords like four-wheel toy metal. And when it comes to an on-page SEO optimization, you want to start with crafting compelling keyword-rich title tags for each page. Your meta description should be concise and persuasive, encouraging users to click through your site. Use proper heading structure, such as H1 for the main title and H2 or H3 for subheading, incorporating relevant keywords naturally. Optimize your URLs by keeping them clean and descriptive. Don't forget to compress your images and add alt text with appropriate keywords to improve load times accessibility. Basically, content marketing plays a significant role in the Shopify SEO. Consider starting a blog to create valuable content around your niche. Write unique and informative product description that includes targeted keywords, and use internal linking to connect related products and blog posts. This not only helps with navigation but also distributes link equity throughout your website. And so, let's navigate through the technical SEO. It's crucial for ensuring that your site performs well. Make sure that your store is mobile friendly since a significant portion of traffic comes from mobile devices. You want to optimize your page for speed by compressing images, minimizing code, and leveraging browser caching. Submit your XML sitemap to Google Search Console to help search engine index your page effectively. Additionally, customize your robots.txt file if necessary to control which part of your site are crawled by search engine. Basically, off-page SEO strategies are also important. You want to focus on building high-quality backlinks from reputable websites as they signal to search engines that your site is trustworthy and authoritative. Promote your site on social media platforms to increase visibility and drive traffic. Consider collaborating with influencers in your niche, which can help you reach a wider audience and gain valuable backlinks. Shopify offers several SEO apps and tools to help you streamline your optimization effort. The first tool that I recommend is SEO Manager. It is a great tool for managing metadata and structured data. You could just head over to the apps.shopify.com/SEO Meta Manager. For the second tool, it's going to be called SEO Identifier. For our second tool, it's going to be Plugin SEO. It identifies SEO issues on your site and offers solution. And lastly, for my recommendation, it is going to be Yoast SEO, which many are familiar with from WordPress. It is also available for Shopify and can assist you with on-page SEO improvement. Tracking and analyzing your SEO performance is essential to understand what's going on and what your website needs. Use Google Analytics to track visitor behavior, traffic sources, and conversion rates. Google Search Console help you monitor your search performance, identifying indexing issues, and submit sitemaps. Regular SEO audits will help you identify gaps and areas for improvement, ensuring your site remains optimized over time. For those looking to take their SEO efforts further, consider implementing advanced techniques. Schema markups help search engine understand your content better and can lead to rich snippets in search results. Canonical tags are useful for avoiding duplicate content issues, which can negatively affect your ranking. If you're tagging multiple languages or regions, international SEOs will help you optimize your site for different audiences. Basically, to summarize, you want to go ahead and use tools like the SEO or Shopify SEO optimization applications. You also want to use Google Trends to identify what are the trending keywords results. You want to use Google Search Engine to improve your performance in the Google Search Engine. And lastly, you want to go ahead and get your own custom domain in order to boost your ranking further. You want to make sure that your website is also secured with an SSL certificate to protect your user data from any malicious activity. And so, by following this Shopify SEO tutorial, you'll be well on your way to improving your store search engine visibility, attracting more organic traffic, and increasing sales. Stay consistent with your SEO efforts, regularly update your content, and keep learning about new SEO trends. And so guys, if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your feedback in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And so guys, happy optimizing. Thank you so much.